Hey guys, how's it going? So tonight on our way home from a wedding out in the middle of nowhere, Texas, we decided to stop on our way home at an Exxon and picked up two of the 200 million cash explosions. And we got tickets number 49 and 50. So we got the last two tickets in the roll. So let's see how our luck fares with the last two tickets in the roll. All right, so go ahead and get started. The first winning numbers. Well, before we get to that, this is basically a numbers match game. You get the money bag, then you win that symbol, and if you get a 20 times, then you win 20 times that symbol. So let's see if we can get a money bag or 20 times. Let's test our luck. All right, so our winning numbers are gonna be 29, 6, 27, 32, 34, 33, and 35. So we got 32, 33, 34, and 35 are our winning numbers. All right, so let's see how we do. First number, 10, 4, 1, 2, 23. All right, next row, 3, 17, 14, 11, 12, 37, 40, 9, 30, 36, 19, 24, 13, 30. Hey, we got a winner, 35. All right, so we got one winner already. All right, so let's see. 38. Man, these 30s are teasing me. 26. And then the last row, 7. 29. Hey, we got two winners on here. 29. Nice. We got 31, 18, and 30. All right, so we got two winners. We got, let's see, where are they? We got 35 right here. So let's see what 35 gave us. Give us something good. $5. $25. Hey, 25 bucks. That's not bad. And then the next one we have is 29. Let's see what 29 gave us. 29 gave us 20. Hey, not bad. So we got a $50 winner on ticket number 49. All right, that's awesome. All right, so I'll put that aside for now. Then we'll go on to the last ticket, the end of the row, 50. All right, so winning numbers for this one, 18, 17, 25, 32, 29, 9, and 34. All right, let's go. Hopefully we can make it two in a row with the last two tickets in the roll. First number 12, 33, 40, 5, 26, 13, 1, 35, 28. Hey, we got a money back. We got two wins in a row, guys, with the end of the roll here. All right, let's keep going. Got 4, 27, 8, 14, 11, 36, 2, 10, 19, 22. All right, and then the last row here, we got 38, 16, 3, 24, and then the last number, 37. All right, so we didn't get any matching numbers, but we got this money bag. So let's come back up here and take a look to see what we got. Hopefully it's something good. Something good. Yeah, we got $10. Hey, so not bad. So got $10 break even on the last ticket in a row. And then combined with ticket number 49, that's a $60 win here on tickets 49 and 50. So $20 in tickets, $60 in winnings. So that's a $40 profit. That's not bad, guys. All right, cool, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.